Hello, it's Miss Hake back for some numeracy. This week we're going to focus on part, whole. It's basically just a fancy way of saying two numbers make a whole number at the top. So I've done some part, whole. I guess we would call them pictures or diagrams. Dice, number, and then whole. So part, whole. So what's 4 and 2? The answer will go up top. Does anybody know what 4 and 2 make? 4. Did you say 6? Amazing. Put your number at the top. Part, whole. 3 and 1 make 4. You got it. Nice work. Part, whole. 5 and 4 make, this is tricky. Did you say 9? You're amazing. Put your 9 up top. And then 1 and 8 make, hey, wait a minute. It also makes 9. Would you look at that? So as a facilitator, make up some sheets like that. Then the second time, get the dice out and have them write in the other part and the whole. So 1 dice. So let's see what we roll here. Ooh, what's that? So we have to draw that in. 5 and 4 make. And then you're going to keep going and do, let's just fill in this one. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I knew we might have gotten 2 of those. So it's 3 and 3 make. You have to add them up together. So if you need to use your counters or if you need to get out your number line, you can. All right. Have fun doing your part. Whoops. I almost dropped my bead. Part, whole. All right. Have a good time. Bye.